Mwagasomo yo mwanchi muligereria wigeta seni kia Ndizi TV ritukoneria ijuma chitariki na 20 mutinyo mutangani umwaka bw'ikiri bw'ibere na 2023 neri tukoria beire likirano kigima inyuranga rero Mwaziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu obwatokire amatemo manene a KCSE ayo akoretwe umwaka o 2022 abwase korengana nere n'ababwatani bande b'ekisemi abana bamurani go bakorete bujage korenganirwa emyaka ya magega gusumwaka 2021 korengana buno roboti rwarwegwano mu waziri inyora abana wetane kiribu kimye 3 usabarokigwa baisaranse tamatemo ayo mwakoeta nigo banyara ko bakonyora machibwa abo gose nigo bagendrete konyora gwikabono onyabande mbono bagutuma inyuranga aboroki wo gwetania elibwemo nigo banyora alama ya A-plane buna yararigwano mu waziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu waigasa matemo ya nyara ko baga kumakiwa na nyora tobokorekanu bokeigo wasengencho chisenta chinde niga borokia bali bare gocharukia matemo ayo banyartko baba korobekana bakoratenenia ko morobolio yo korende to nyartko bakogoswanana n'inchira yo gocharukiwa ko matemo ayo abaroki gwachirwe 40 gosa borokia chirbu 40 nabo banyara ko baba kubwaterana aso gocharukia amatemo ayo manene anyara ko baga kubwato kwa lituko lya rero ayo mwancho muligereria nara korekire naende ninkwareganire tiatalimake kurinda mange kurwa chiskuru cha Gusii na kichia kodre gati ya Kisii School Nyabururu Girls Cardinal Tunga ne chiskuru chinde chinyinge abaliki baito basokire gochakoleta yo manenda mange asenchira yobo ikiranu kigima iyo ikaranso ike nchigo komanya ayo akorekire ase lituko lya rero asibalimo gotobwatya wetera senchira yemitandao no tole Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook Live na boigo YouTube na otole buna Ndizi TV News na ende na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News egera tonyara ko batogo kwana asenchira yobo ikiranu kigima toba isogo sukabono ekiagera nkwira nande asechideka chinke kigima nkomanyenga nara lyaya na kwariganire Chinsa chiga Isano na Ibere. Ncheni kwankoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no leto kubwaterana komo korwa sense moje bimanyirilyo nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigato ya chake korwa se nyumba ya Mutihani House zime county ya Nairobi abwaso mwaziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu Chinsa chinkecha itire anyarira ko baga kubwatoka amatemo manene yo mwaka o 2022 abwasa tebire amatemo aya gakorenganirwa n'amatemo y'emyaka ya magega nigaborokiwa bange bakorete buya mono amangana gusaborokiwa basae abubarabamura asiboigo ateba emereme menge nigo yanyarire ko bage kutwara ebirengo birebya gekorenganiwa emyaka ya magega tigango totegerere nkwana yo mwaziri Ezekiel Machogu
2022 KCSE examination 17 subjects recorded a significant improvement in performance compared with 11 subjects that recorded a significant improvement in performance in 2021. There was no significant change in performance in 4 of the subjects over during the 2022 KCSE examination. There were 1,146 making 0.13% candidates who obtained an overall A grade in the 2022 examinations compared with 1,138, which was 0.14% candidates in 2021. On the other hand, the number of candidates with minimum university entry qualification of grade C plus and above has risen to 173,345, forming 19.03% in the year 2022 KCSE examination compared to 145,776 which was 17.55% in 2021. The number of candidates with mean grade D+ and above in the 2022 KCSE examination is 522,588, which is 59.14%, compared with 442,251, which was 53.29% in 2021. Encouragingly, the number of candidates obtaining a mean grade of E declined significantly to 30,822, which is only 3.49%, despite the increase in candidature, compared with 46,151, which was 5.56% in 2022. This clearly leads us to conclude that most of the candidates scored grades of higher quality. Most significantly, all the remaining candidates are eligible to join TVET institutions, teacher training colleges, medical training colleges, and other tertiary learning institutions for various courses.
Chingaki eky'omu waziri oyo machogu na kwanira emechando mekemeke eli abwatiranetie morobeli omugima bwogocharokia na kumark amatemwayo a form 4 abwase chisenta nkeigo aborokia bali bali gocharokia amatemwayo banyarete koba bakugira emirimo kobwatekana no gwakanu korende korengana no waziri niga serikali ya Kenya Kwanza weterase wizara yaye yabegete morobeli mekeranu na kwene kiabuna tacharokia matemwayo ase chisenta chinde nkoba isagoswanana no morobeli omugima chingaki baligetie abangao bakagenderera no morobeli oyo nigo nabo akeira babwatani bonsi ngambia mona sokwene kyabuna matemwa manene na nyartko baga kwera bya na gosoka bya lituko lya lero.
The conclusion of the marking process is indeed a confirmation that the council is always prepared to defy any challenge to ensure the exercise is not interrupted. Have in mind the hiccup that was recorded at one of the centers where a few examination officials threatened to derail the exercise. NEC was, however, able to respond with an unfettered precision that ensured a seamless progression of the exercise. On this note, I wish to urge all professionals who are usually engaged in national exercises like participating in the administration of national examinations to put the interest of the nation first and look at the merits of engaging in certain activities that could otherwise plunge the lives of our youngsters into irredeemable turmoil. But again, at this point, I want to assure our examiners that they did a commendable job in all the centers. Of course, this was a very small hiccup that we did encounter, and going forward, we are very much concerned, Honorable Chairman of the Committee of Education.
Nero Molikyo Batambe ase wizara ya Chisemi Belio Kipsang nigobone nekirie une kalenda ya masomo yo mwaka 2023 nigego chaka boja abwasabarokiwa bakwigora chiskuru chitariki 23 matenyo yo motangani omwaka oyo wechiri 2023 elio lirabe lituko lya Jumatatu chingakie checho nigo Kipsang airanira babwatani bonsi korase kyombegyo balika bali mu Teacher Service Commission ekyombe kya kocharo kya matemu gose kyombe kyetenere tamatemu NEC nababwatani bonsi ba matemu manene ayanyara ko bakago sokali tukolya rero abakere ngambiya mono asokwene kyabuna matemu manene na chagete bya ocharo kigwa boronge na gosoka boikirano litukolya rero chinga kyara ligwano mwaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogo korwase nyumba ya matemu manene Mtihani House ime ye county ya Nairobi.
That our officers have done. I would want to thank the stakeholders in the education sector. As already mentioned by the CEO, this is the year that we did 5 examinations, like say 4 examinations and an assessment, we were able to assess more than 4 million children. And we would want to take this opportunity to thank our teachers, to thank our parents, and to thank all the stakeholders for the good work that they have done. We would also want to acknowledge the role that the media played. It was not any other time. You know what it can be when you are handling such a huge task that affects the future of the country.
Omoteneneri gorase kiombe gioko balika balimu Teacher Service Commission omasubati Nanzi Masharia nigonera tebire bune kiombe nigobagenetie aborokia bonsi banyareko babagwikirania emirobiri yabo asenchira y'obwororo asa kwanire igoro y'umurobiri obwechi transfer bakorire asomwakoyo asa tebire chi transfer echo nchirigo chagoswana na asa ndonsi igoro ngana kyobokoreri bokorwa masomo asa borokigwa asechiskuru ao asense ya Kenya asibatebira borokia bonsi nigo babwateri bagalia bene okwana asibaganete kogenda unenchereyemo yokwororo byobokoreri ase sector yechisemi.
Today, I urge our teachers to always be ready to serve the country and put their professionalism first when they are called upon for the marking exercise. As teachers, it is a mark of honor and respect to be identified and recommended for the examining exercise. We should therefore shun any attempts to put our interests before thousands of candidates whose future we determine through the marking exercise. Cabinet Secretary, during the COVID-19 period, the TSC made a deliberate decision not to cause disruption in schools by imposing a moratorium on making transfers, affecting many transfer of teachers. Since we have now lifted the ban, and as you know, we wanted to recoup the year, we have carried out a careful exercise of effecting 14,733 transfers, which will become effective this term.
Chingakie choboigo Masharia nigaene kirebu na umorobelio bwoko balika abarokigwa abubale angegweta na chiribwe 30 nigogo ikomwelio litukolia lero asatebire aborokia bali baranyoreri baga aso kwenyorere miremejo nigo bagucha gotomwa gocha se chiskuru gochakera chitarike 30 cyumutinyu mutangani omwaka oyo bunenchere yamoyo gocha gochaka emiremo boikerano inyora chitarike echo nacho abana ba junior secondary school na barabo bagucha gosoa ase chisukuru ao igongo morobelio yubu kubalika bali muchirwe 30 nigo ikomwelio litukolia lero kolengana na Masharia.
TSC will provide guidelines on the teaching and administration of the junior secondary school as the students report shortly. As you also may be aware, we are currently recruiting 30,000 teachers. Interviews for those shortlisted are set to be concluded today, paving the way for the posting of successful teachers. It is our intention to have the new recruits join the payroll on January 30th, the same day when the junior secondary school learners will report to their respective schools. And I wish to thank all the stakeholders and the President for giving us money for this, the 30,000 teachers.
Obatuki bwaso gete bwango igani gobo kworokia buna abana bake emiaka 12 go ike miaka 19 nigo bono bakoligereria chibi chane bipindi bitali bya ase mitandao gosase chitv kolengana no roboti oru nigo rokworokia buna baiboli ekerenge 25 na Ibere igoro yemia na boboka bakoligereria ngana kiabana bakoligereria ase emitandao ase kerengo ke 44 igoro yemia baiboli babwata banabo mbali kobolia na koligereria no nyangake nganinki abana baba bakoligereria ase emitandao Chingaki 13 igoro yemia ya kerengo kia baiboli mbali komanya no nyangake ninki abana baba bakoligereria ase metandao ne kerengo kia 11 igoro yemia na barabo mbamanyeti no nyanga ninki abana baba boigo bakoligereria ase mitandao kolenga no roboti ururwa bwatu getweli tukole igoro nigobona bateneneri bali bakoligereria igoro ye mitandao babolirie abaiboli koira chingaki cyabo chinyinge aso asogo ikaransa n'abana babo abo bamanyikanete buna teenagers na kurigerera nabarabwe bipindi nako bamaigerio namaganio ao baganete komanya weterase bipindi ase TV nabo igo gutumika chisimi chakoboko asogo ika ase mitandao.
Shows that watching TV can have great benefits to children and teens, including enhancing their critical thinking skills, sharing of cultural experiences, values and life lessons, socializing and widening their perspective. We are keen on protecting the interests of our children with respect to the content they consume on TV and online, and we call upon all players in this space to support these endeavors so that our children grow in safe spaces both of
kubategana no roboti orugo sobo tukiobo no mwanchu murigereria timanyeti nga aye umuiboli nsemo kieye oberete tigabona tonyare ko batukurigereria abana baitu nganki bakurigereria semitandao keroeto mwane simi osekera umutigerete TV onyare ko bagokumanyanga ninki ako ligereria gotigana nayo mwanchu murigereria bono oborai bwabasubati nigo bogochakoyegwa libagari nene mono ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza Eyemaega yaba woman rep korwa sense ya Kenya litukoligoro kumirana no muraiwense Dr. William Ruto asamaga cha State House ime ye county ya Nairobi. Muraiwense na aliete irayo gocha komenta chibesa changaf gocha sekiganja kyabasubati korwa bilioni Ibere goika bilioni 3 unenchereyemo yokorwa bokora liboisaine korwa sense mo yabasubati nigo igo bairanere muraiwense ngambiya mono asoko bamentera chibese cyogo cya sekiganja kyabo nenchere ya mayogo nyoro ubwegenwa korwa sabaki chikura asibate bire abasubati na bwesiro mono asoborai na igo bakirembiya mono na kubole basubati bande wesokya na koliyo borai asobocholi bole busyo.
Men, Your Excellency, they are behind you, and you know women are the pillars of our country. Sinikweli mama, thank you so much. I don't take it for granted that you have agreed to come and have this meeting with us.
Mwanchu murigereria nara yuasebono kolenda mange no gendete kwariganiriwa na inda senchira yo bwenge chikoraga Chinsa 10 chemaragoba ya bono boiga senchira yo boikiranu tomo chago soime ya Ndizi TV gekoraga ense yama ya bono botuko na boigo Chinsa 3 chobotuko bwalero kolende ngwakangambe amonasi bali moire chinga kicheno nako yabwati Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge nyoranga matemo manene na soka litikolia lero igo moiboli ekiero kore no gotomerie ta KCSE obeke index number yo mwanogo egero tomego chiase number Ibere enoti Isano na Ibere Isano nemo egero nyorenga na kyo mwanogo akorete ekero abangi babo tayare banyorira machibu abo na inde nigo bakorete buya kigima igotokuganeria abana bakora matemo manene Amayia asamagimabo chinga kibono na inde bagosuka gochiase ebirengo binde bya masomo byamano mwanchu murigereria oleto bwaterana komo korwa sense mo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta olianeke kwa yanyorire gwetera senchira yemitandao nabo igochi bichana mariogi nigakoro ko Masubati Abigail Nyanchama na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.